Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix notification delay after screen lock. Okay. So to fix this problem, simply go to settings and first of all, we need to allow the background activity on this device. Tap on notifications. Then here you can see the option sort and filter notifications. Tap on this one. Here you can see the option background activities. First of all, we need to enable this one. If you enable this one, you can see filter notification used to show that an app is running in the background. And after this one, you need to check your Wi-Fi, whether your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network or your mobile data. And better to restart your device. Notification may arrive late when apps are restricted in the background. So first of all, we need to removing restrictions improves delivery speed. So simply in this way, we can fix the notification delay after screen lock. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.